In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master layer selection in Figma. If you've ever found yourself endlessly clicking through the layers panel just to get to the element you actually want, this is going to save you a ton of time. Go ahead and open your design so you can follow along. It helps to zoom into an area with a few overlapping objects or nested groups, because that's where these techniques really shine. The big idea here is simple. Mastering a few modifier keys lets you select exactly what you need without digging through frames and groups. Instead of drilling through the layers panel, you'll use your cursor right on the canvas to grab the right thing on the first try. Or at least on the second. First up is Deep Select. Hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows. Then click directly on the object you want. Figma will jump past any groups or frames and select that specific layer, no matter how deeply it's nested. This is incredibly helpful with complex components, icon sets, or layouts wrapped in multiple frames. A quick tip: hold the modifier key before you click, and watch the layer highlight on the left to confirm you've got the right target. Release the key and you are back to normal selection. Next, when objects are stacked on top of each other, it can be hard to grab the one behind without moving things around. To solve that, hold Command on Mac or Control on Windows and right-click. You'll see a list of all the layers directly under your cursor. Just choose the one you need from the menu. This is especially useful when text, buttons, and background shapes overlap. Good layer naming makes this even faster, because you'll instantly recognize which item to pick. Finally, let's speed up global edits with Select All Matching Layers. Select one object that represents what you want to target. Then press Option-Command-A on Mac or Alt-Control-A on Windows. Figma will instantly select all identical layers across different frames. This is perfect for swapping a color on every badge, updating consistent text styles, or applying a single change to repeated UI elements without hunting them down one by one. Once everything is selected, make your change and see it apply everywhere at once. Practice these 3 moves as you work. Thanks for watching.